The Dur of the Secret Forest. In a distant land surrounded by towering mountains and endless rivers lay a forest so dense that sunlight barely touched the ground. Locals called it the Secret Forest, and for generations stories of a mysterious Dur hidden deep within it had spread from one village to another. The Dur, it was said, could lead to another world, a world where one's deepest desires could be fulfilled, but only if they proved themselves worthy. Many had ventured into the forest, yet none had returned. Ria, a young explorer with a heart full of curiosity and a mind filled with dreams, had always been fascinated by these tales. Unlike others who sought the Dur for wealth or power, Ria wanted to find it to learn the truth about herself and the world beyond. One crisp morning, armed with a satchel of supplies, a lantern, and her trusty compass, she set out on her journey. As she entered the forest, an eerie silence enveloped her. The air was thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, and strange vines twisted around ancient trees. Ria walked for hours, but the forest seemed endless, each path leading back to where she started. Just when she was about to lose hope, she noticed a faint, golden light flickering in the distance. Following the light, she reached a clearing where a grand, ivy-covered Dur stood between two ancient trees. The Dur was unlike anything she had ever seen. It was made of gleaming silver and adorned with intricate carvings of unknown symbols. As she approached, the Dur spoke in a deep, resonant voice. Only those who seek truth, not gain, may pass through. Startled but determined, Ria replied, I do not seek riches or glory. I seek to understand what lies beyond. The carvings on the Dur began to glow, and the voice asked, to enter, you must answer this, what is the greatest journey of all? Ria thought carefully. She had heard many stories of adventures, battles, and quests, but none of them felt like the right answer. Then, it struck her. She spoke with quiet confidence, the greatest journey is the one within, the journey to know oneself. The Dur creaked open slowly, revealing a shimmering portal. Without hesitation, Ria stepped through and found herself in a vast, radiant landscape unlike anything she had ever imagined. The sky was painted with hues of violet and gold, and rivers of light flowed through fields of crystal flowers. Yet, what amazed her most was the feeling of complete peace and clarity within her. She felt as if she understood herself and the world better than ever before. A figure appeared before her, glowing with an ethereal light. It spoke, you have passed the test, Ria. This place is not a realm of treasure or magic, it is a reflection of your inner world. By seeking truth, you have found harmony within yourself. Return now to your world and share the wisdom you have gained. As the portal closed behind her, Ria found herself back at the edge of the forest. She felt no disappointment at leaving the mystical world behind, for she now carried its essence within her heart. From that day forward, she became known as the storyteller of the secret forest, inspiring others not to seek external wonders but to embark on the greatest adventure of all, the journey within. And thus, the legend of the Dur of the secret forest continued, reminding all who heard it that the real treasure lies not beyond the Dur, but in discovering who they truly are.